Math in Waldorf schools, in first grade, you teach all four processes. So instead of learning addition and then working with it for a while and then leaving it and learning subtraction, in one block you've learned the qualities of subtraction, addition, division, and multiplication. And the way they're taught, you spend a whole week as the teacher bringing lessons that explore, again, the quality of what that process is. So for instance, subtraction. You might bring a story about a man named Max Martin Minus, who carries around a sack. And in his sack, he carries all of the things that he loves. And there's a little slit in the sack. And so he loses things from that little slit. So from that slit, you have the symbol for subtraction of minus.
Right.
But then you're also teaching that the quality of subtraction is that losing of things. And then the next day, you might bring that same story back. And instead of losing things, he learns to give things away. So in that way, you're also teaching that positive quality of subtraction, which is giving things away. You're also losing things, but it's that in that spirit of generosity. And in that way, you're really teaching to the moral, for lack of a better word, moral life of the child. And then there's also a lot of fun involved in that too. So multiplication, the way you would teach that is a character who skips really quickly. So she takes 3 steps at a time as opposed to 1. And so you can learn how to as the student, you're learning that multiplication is that quality of being able to group things. So I would say that as a former teacher, I really enjoyed that process of teaching math, where it's not just memorizing facts and when I learned how to carry and borrow, it was okay, cross this out and you make this a 10 and make this a 9 and then bring down this 1, and you don't really know why you're doing it. And in Waldorf schools, you spend a lot of time through story, through games, through drawing and patterns, really understanding place value and understanding math and what it is. I mean, math is numbers, but it's also tangible. It's something that you can feel, it's something that you can count, and kids have a greater comprehension of what it is because of that.